Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Venmo with the Mercari app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your Venmo account with the Mercari app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Mercari app. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right hand corner. Then click on Settings on the bottom hand side. Then click on My Payment Methods. Now select Venmo on the bottom hand side and then click on Continue to Venmo. So what's going to happen now is that it's going to prompt you to actually log into your Venmo account so that you can connect Venmo with the Mercari app. But there you have it guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Venmo with the Mercari app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.